Okay, so this is yet another data science virtual internship video, and today we're going to talk about the data science and AI virtual internship program offered by the Y Combinator startup in partnership with Inside Sherpa. And so without further ado, we're starting right now. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do is head over to the Data Science and AI at Y Combinator Startup website, which is provided by Inside Sherpa. And upon logging into your Google Gmail account, you will see that the Register Now link will change to Invite Friends, because in this program, you're going to need a total of 4 friends to join. Let's have a look. Let's click on the Invite Friends. And so you're going to see that you will need a team of 4 for this program. And so including you will need to invite 3 additional friends. And you could do that by sharing or tweeting about it. Okay, so let's get into the details of this program. So as you can see here, the virtual internship program is free, not only for students, but also for interested individuals. The great thing about this program is that it is self-paced. Therefore, you could spend your free time completing the program. And it will take you about 5 to 6 hours to complete. So the third benefit of this program is that you will be gaining practical experience and skills in data science virtually. Particularly, you will be having a glimpse at how a Y Combinator startup company are using data science. And the fourth benefit is that you could showcase your experience in participating in this virtual internship by sharing it on LinkedIn or also in your CV and resume. Okay, so let's have a further look into this program. So for those of you who don't know what Y Combinator startup is, let's have a look at some of these startups. So these include Airbnb, OpenSea, Dropbox, Instacart, Star Sky Robotics, Indie Labs, FlockJ, Nabis, Artina. So let's have a look at some of the modules that you will be completing as part of this virtual internship program. So the first module here is process and clean an unruly dataset. So here you're going to take a large dataset and then you're going to do some data wrangling or data cleaning. And the second module will be identify key features that drive metrics. So here you're going to analyze a data set in order to find relationships between actions and long-term outcomes. And the third module will be creating a recommendation engine that will help to recommend the next action for users. And so if you are an aspiring data scientist and you want to gain hands-on experience in data science, then I highly recommend this program because it allows you to get a glimpse at how a Y Combinator startup company are using data science in their day-to-day task. And as you will see at the top here of the website, it says here that this virtual internship program is one of the official ways to get recruited into a Y Combinator startup. And so this implies that upon completion of this program, you will get a better understanding of how these companies are using data science and AI, and it will be a stepping stone into getting recruited into one of the Y Combinator startups. So if you're finding value in this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't yet done so, hit on the notification bell in order to be notified of the next video. And as always, the best way to learn data science is to do data science, and please enjoy the journey. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, and share, and I'll see you in the next one. But in the meantime, please check out these videos.